the cotton field as sharp as a knife. I heard him howling as he passed me by. Well, the devil wears a suit and tie. Saw him driving down the 61 in early July. Why does the cotton by?
With the master's memory. There's a price war in the insurance business, and you may be paying too much. Call the Term Lifeline right now and see.
It's a good opportunity for these other guys, because if you're Justin Thomas and you're, Jordan Speed, and certainly Bubba's won twice, but if you're those guys,
Here's to make them look new again. We look forward to continuing our family tradition of customer service and superior workmanship, hardwood floors and more.
People join Walk MS to raise awareness and funds that change the world for everyone affected by multiple sclerosis. Walk MS brings communities together, creating teams with friends, loved ones.
There's a major slowdown going on out there, so be aware of that. Leave yourself some space, folks, so you don't end up having a rear bumper as a foot ornament. Workman's Road remains heavy but steady as you head down Port Ingleside Drive. Follow the police officer's instructions at the intersections. That's most helpful. Alexander towards Bridgewatch Parkway is moving well through the cycle of the traffic light, as is Washington.
Oh, you special.
Tuesday's weather from Backvue.
You don't see Grove doing that much.
What?
Jumping up to hit a sign.
Oh, yeah.
Sheesh. I'm about to stop for a turn.
You have to yield before you get in the crosswalk. Then you have the right of way. You haven't. I don't want you to get killed by doing that, man.
Sorry.
Okay.
Oh, that's pretty slick.
He turned the cigarette around and lit it for him. Blinker! Oh, that felt good. Nice.
Was not the case at all. They didn't care. They didn't even want to listen to why I believed things I believed, or why I thought the way I believed. Their whole objective was to...
Hey, you pick that sign back up. I didn't cut you off, you sped up.
Savannah's bigger, you said?
I think Savannah is number 3, I think.
You wizard.
Oh, that's some good insight there. Yeah, so what we gathered from lunch. I'd rather be handsome.
Yes.
What we gathered from lunch yesterday.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
All right.
Meeting of the mind. You better take new vitamins, buddy. Are you prepared to do whatever it is that you do down there, Jeff? Really? It's a taste of bacon cheese. Is it candy like? Or is it like a chip like? Or chip? Or chip like? Is it a bacon and cheese? When you taste the bacon and cheese, he's eating another one of the same bacon and cheese. So this is the... Okay, so yeah, that one is the sour cream and onion or whatever. That's a vinegar and salt vinegar and salt. So now don't just eat that. Eat the whole thing. Come on. Don't try to cheat. Those are fields of 312 players. You play medal play to narrow down to 64, and then you play 6 matches. So not only did he make it to medal play each year, but he won 36 straight matches because he won 3 straight U.S. Junior Amateur Championships, and then he won 3 straight U.S. Amateur Championships. That will never happen. We could live to we're a gazillion years old. That will never happen again. I don't even know that anybody will come close. Indiana
Atlanta and a couple other places in the store. They weren't in for Masters. They were just actually coming through to get a grill. So it's pretty crazy, yeah.
What's been the biggest custom order that you've had so far as like outfitting somebody?
Oh, I mean, I don't know what that would be. I know we've had people buy many grills at one time, like even companies come in and do it, but I don't know as far as outfitting. I do know that what's cool in the commercial that just ran, we were mentioning Rec Tech Academy, which is coming up in May. And it's $998 to come. It's a 4-day event where you're going to learn cooking and all. We got some concerts and a lot of food and stuff's included. We've got people coming from 38 different states, including Alaska, and we've got people coming from Canada.
That's amazing.
Isn't that crazy? Coming here. So we're not to the level. The group that's coming for the Masters, but maybe we're a distant second.
Those of us that didn't graduate from college, this might be our chance. So I didn't graduate from Georgia, but at Rec Tech Academy, man.
That's right, there it is.
All right. By the way, if you've got a question or a comment, you can probably best get it to us via email this week. If you want to call, we'll certainly consider taking your call depending on what's going on.
Very strongly. The military is going to be building some of it. But we're going to have very strong borders, and we have to change our laws, and we're working on doing that.
A recent appropriation of $1.6 billion allows the replacement of existing fencing, but none of that includes any of the 8 border wall prototypes ordered by the Trump administration.
Fox's John Decker at the White House. Stock futures sharply lower after the president requested an additional $100 billion in tariffs on goods from China. Republican Tim Pawlenty wants to build Job back, announcing he's again running for governor.
After months of speculation, Pawlenty ended questions about seeking another term as governor in a bid.
No water for the wave today. Oh my goodness, it is surginating. That's pretty good. I rolled down in neutral. I thought I was driving.
Parking lot.
We saw pictures of it. Yeah, absolutely.
There was there have been many occasions
You
when
do
they
not
had cleared
have
the
a
course
stop
and people
sign.
just
Oh man, how did I not see him? Sorry. No. Oh great, now I can't back out. Oh, friggin' Atlanta cars.
just take it slow as you go on the way today. If you're entering the area from west of the area on I-20, you can use either exit 195 Wheeler Road, or from either westbound or eastbound.
That's the first time I've ever seen somebody take an SUV off the road.
If you want to. But if
yield to U-turns. That's the rule.
You might just try to go ahead and run it through there with your putter, but you're not going to see many up and downs from left here at 18.
Now, final pairing has the first tee in 8 minutes. Patrick Reed and Rory McIlroy.
Here's a big secret organic grocery chains don't want you to know. It's called ThriveMarket.com, the largest online store in the country selling exclusively non-GMO organic groceries, all at guaranteed savings of up to 50% off. Their mission is to make healthy living accessible and affordable.
I'll just take these. You know, my brother's got like $45,000 coming to him.